If you are preparing for NET and JRF, then you have to understand the pattern of the question and you have to understand the pattern of the exam. From where the question are asking more and from where question are asking less. In that way, if you have to prepare, otherwise you will be not able to crack the exam. That's why definitely watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all the update and notification. Here is a big problem. We are thinking that there is 10 unit, so 10 unit 10 question will be asked. So if I am preparing for unit wise, then I will get from every unit 10 question. There is a big no. You can see in data communication and networking, means ultimately networking, unit 9 there was 17 question. This is the analysis of 2022. So it is upcoming exam is 2023. So that's why you have to prepare like that way, because in unit 2 there is unit 10 there is only 2 question, that is artificial intelligence, but unit 9 there is 17 question. And if you are coming to the TOC, there was 10 question. And again here TOC and compiler, mostly some of the students are thinking from compiler mostly question are coming, but actual weightage in TOC. If you are coming to computer graphics and programming, you are focusing on computer graphics more, but in computer graphics there was 2 question, programming there was 7 question. And that's why you need to understand the total pattern, and according to the pattern you have to prepare yourself. Not only the number of question, but also there is a big pattern change also in some unit. If you saw the programming, in the programming there was a big pattern change. What was the big pattern change? All the question was theoretical and conceptual question. There was no programming. Like previously they were supposed to give a programming, what will be the output of the programming, how many times the loop will be done. That type of question was not there. It was totally theoretical and conceptual question. So please watch this completely so that you can understand where you need to focus. Here you can see data structure, means it is the optimization, discrete structure and optimization, that is mathematical area, unit 1. There was 10 question. So mainly where is the weightage? It is not mandatory that last year they asked 17 question from networking, means this year also you will get the 17 question from networking. That is not mandatory, but you need to understand where they are focusing more. Here is 10. So if you are calculating where is 10 or 10 plus, this is 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10 plus. Here is 10 plus and here is so definitely 10 plus. So actually these are all the core subject, core area: data communication networking, data structure algorithm, TOC compiler. Software engineering is also a core area under UGC NET, because always under software engineering they are focusing. Why? Because actually these are the subjects required to do your PhD and to clearing your concept, means actually this is the area of research also. That's why. And it is the core subject of computer science. Operating system. Here database management. Computer architecture, there was 9 question. So mainly you need to focus on these area. And what are the topics? See the topics now. And what are the pattern now? So propositional logic and predicate logic, every year the questions are coming 4 to 5 questions. I will upload another video with 3 years analysis, that is 2022, 2021 and 20, from where I will show you the what are the repeated questions are coming from which area, and I will upload the previous year's question solution also. So stay tuned with this channel. Permutation combination, only one question, one question, one question, one question, one question. So you can see the weightage, more weightage here and every year. So this is the must do area: propositional logic, predicate logic. Next one, in digital logic circuit there was 2 question. Other than that, other topic, that is the conceptual area of computer architecture, interrupt, assembler, pipeline, micro operation, cache memory, magnetic tape numerical, and linker loader assembler. So linker loader assembler, this is the common topic of computer architecture and compiler also. Next thing is computer graphics programming. I already told all the conceptual question from pointer, function, syntax declaration, OOPS concept, top down approach. This was the area. And from graphics there was two questions, that was from scaling and pipeline. From database management, relational algebra, 5 question, means it was a comprehension type question, that is 5 into 2, 10 marks was there. Normalization, always asked question, 2 marks. Concept on attributes, that was 1 marks, that is under ER diagram topic. SQL trigger, theoretical question, 1 question was there. Big data, 1 question was there. Here operating system, process scheduling, always question are coming, that is 2 question was there. Deadlock scheduling, that total 5 question was there, because it was also the comprehension type question. It was not comprehension type question, means totally they asked actually deadlock and scheduling, total 5 question. It was not comprehension type. Page replacement 1 question, disk scheduling 1 question. In that way they asked 10 question here. Software engineering 12 question, testing, process model, requirement 4 question, requirement, and software engineering there is also a very much changes. The question was easy, but the question was statement type question, and they mainly focusing nowadays requirement, metric, these are the area. Previously they were focusing on some numerical, testing, COCOMO model, maintenance, cohesion coupling, but nowadays in 2021 also 2022 also they are asking, mostly focusing on requirement management, metric, quality metric, that area. That's why you need to focus on this area. And for software engineering I am coming with a detailed video where we will discuss each and every question, each and every topic also of software engineering. Next thing, in data structure algorithm, here nowadays weightage is increasing. Previously, if you saw the previous years like 2019, 18, 17, that time data structure algorithm weightage was coming 6, 7 question. Nowadays they are focusing more. Yes, complexity, hashing, recurrence relation, tree, heap, depth first search, BT, traveling salesman, problem, and the quick shot AVL tree. This was the total question. Statement type question, matching type question, question was easy to moderate, but these are all the expected topic of data structure algorithm. So this is, you cannot miss this subject, data structure algorithm. This is a highly scoring area and you will get more question. TOC, always from the grammar they are asking more question, identifying grammar, from this grammar which language is coming, 5 question came here. Decidability 1 question. Recursive enumerable language or not, that is also identifying language, and conceptual question 1 question was there. Regular language model 1 question, NPDA parser 1 question was there. And in data communication, actually why the weightage is more, because total 5 question came here for the comprehension type, that was the sliding window protocol. 5 question came here. Other than that there was RSA algorithm, network model 2 question, block cipher 1 question, throughput means you need to calculate throughput 1 question was there, WSI layer function there was 3 question, matching type conceptual theoretical question, class pool addressing 1 question, secret key 1 question, Hamming code and transport layer protocol there was 1 question. In that way they asked total 17 question here, you can see. After that artificial intelligence, there was only 1 question from game tree and another question was from knowledge representation. In that way actually this year, means last year 2020 question came, and according to that if you want to focus, if you have to focus, what are the area? Core area. First of all you need to focus on core area, don't leave the core subject like networking, TOC, data structure algorithm, software engineering, operating system, database management, programming, and mathematics and architecture. Definitely learn graphics and artificial intelligence. It does not mean that artificial intelligence there was 2 question, means this year also 2 question will be there. Definitely learn it. Definitely question can be more. But when your core subject is done, then only go for this subject. These are the some extra subject like that. We cannot predict. We cannot say that in artificial intelligence this year question will be not there. Question will be there. but definitely core subject question will be there. After that some question can be there. At least in core subject near about 10 question you will get in each and every core subject, and from there the extra 2, extra 1 that can be added in artificial intelligence, maybe 7 to 8 question maybe you can get. But when you are preparing the core subject carefully and in this way, conceptual way, if you are thinking that you will do the previous year's question, you will go for the exam, you will be not able to crack it. You need to go for in-depth concept. Conceptually you have to understand and then do it. And mainly focus on the previous year's question, last 3 previous year's question. First of all, that should be your target 2022, 2021 and 20. After that go for 19 and 18. After that if you have time, then go for the previous years. But rather than that, doing previous year's question of UGC NET before 2017, it's better to invest your time for GATE previous year's question. That should be a wise decision, because from the GATE previous year's question also they are copying direct question, 10 to 12 question also they are copying. So that's why after doing the 5 years question, last 5 years from 2018 to 2022, after that if you have time, then go for the GATE previous years. That will be more effective for you, but in depth. So I hope you will like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you need from me, and definitely I am coming with the detailed question solution and last 3 years analysis. What are the topic you have to focus. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.